How to handle separation anxiety, effective strategies for coping. Separation anxiety is a natural emotional response that occurs when someone experiences distress due to separation from loved ones, familiar environments, or pets. It can affect people of all ages, from children leaving their parents for school to adults parting with partners, friends, or even pets for extended periods. This article explores effective strategies to manage separation anxiety and create healthier emotional responses during times of transition. 1. Understand the root cause. Understanding the root cause of separation anxiety is the first step toward addressing it. For children, it often stems from fear of abandonment or insecurity, while adults may experience separation anxiety due to underlying stress, attachment issues, or significant life changes such as moving to a new place. Recognizing these triggers allows individuals to approach the situation with empathy and self-compassion. Identifying thoughts or fears, like "what if something bad happens?" can make it easier to confront and rationalize those feelings. 2. Establish predictable routines. For children and adults alike, predictability can reduce anxiety. Creating routines, such as morning rituals or set times for video calls, helps individuals feel more secure during times apart. For children, a simple goodbye routine or a favorite object to keep them company during separation can provide comfort. Similarly, adults can benefit from structured activities during separation, which creates a sense of stability and normalcy. 3. Use gradual exposure techniques. Gradual exposure is an effective method to manage separation anxiety. It involves slowly increasing the duration of separation to build tolerance over time. For instance, if a child struggles with being apart from a parent, brief separations followed by praise and reassurance help them learn that separation is not permanent. Adults facing anxiety from long-distance relationships or work-related travel can try practicing brief separations, such as spending weekends apart, to adjust gradually. 4. Stay connected through technology. Technology can be a lifeline for those struggling with separation anxiety. For children, video calls or voice messages can serve as comforting reminders that their caregivers are still present, even from afar. Similarly, adults separated from loved ones can benefit from virtual check-ins through texts, video calls, or shared activities like online games. Staying connected digitally bridges the emotional gap and reduces the intensity of anxiety. 5. Develop coping skills and relaxation techniques. Developing emotional coping skills is essential for handling separation anxiety. Practices like deep breathing, mindfulness, and journaling can help manage overwhelming emotions. Teaching children to express their feelings through drawing or storytelling promotes emotional regulation. Meanwhile, adults can benefit from mindfulness apps, meditation, and exercise, which improve mental well-being and reduce stress related to separation. 6. Reframe negative thoughts. Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, techniques, such as reframing negative thoughts, can effectively combat separation anxiety. Challenge anxious thoughts by replacing them with positive affirmations. For instance, instead of thinking, "I can't handle being apart," try, "This time apart gives me a chance to grow." By changing the narrative, individuals can approach separation with a healthier mindset. 7. Seek professional help if needed. If separation anxiety becomes overwhelming or interferes with daily life, seeking professional help may be necessary. Mental health professionals can provide guidance through therapy, such as CBT or play therapy for children. In severe cases, medication might be recommended to manage symptoms temporarily. Early intervention can prevent long-term difficulties and promote emotional resilience. 8. Create meaningful activities during separation. Engaging in meaningful activities during separation reduces the intensity of anxiety. Encourage children to participate in creative projects, sports, or hobbies that capture their attention. Adults can focus on personal growth, such as learning new skills or dedicating time to self-care. When individuals stay engaged and productive, it becomes easier to manage emotions and view separation as an opportunity rather than a hardship. 9. Set realistic expectations. Managing separation anxiety also requires setting realistic expectations. It is normal to feel emotional discomfort during significant transitions, but it is essential to understand that the intensity of anxiety will decrease over time. Being patient with oneself or loved ones experiencing anxiety is key to fostering long-term emotional well-being. Conclusion. Handling separation anxiety involves understanding its triggers, creating routines, developing coping skills, and staying connected with loved ones. Gradual exposure, professional support, and reframing negative thoughts can make separation more manageable for both children and adults. It's important to remember that separation anxiety is a normal emotional response, but with effective strategies, it can become an opportunity for personal growth and improved emotional resilience.